Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another interesting episode on your favorite Little Slide YouTube channel. Yes, this is going to be more interesting, and in this video, we're going to see how to run or how to convert your Postman script to LoadRunner script. So this is what the question which I have got very recently from our WhatsApp channel. Yes, we do have a WhatsApp channel where we have like more than 500 plus brilliant performance testing minds, and we help each other in terms of any queries. And I do send all the notifications in terms of any trainings, in terms of new videos. I'll send it through there. So in case if you are interested to join to get the latest information, please do join the WhatsApp channel. The link is in the YouTube channels page. And now coming back to this video, yes, so we are going to see how to run the Postman, or how to convert the Postman script, and we're going to run it through the LoadRunner. So we'll see that now. And there are few things which you have to do, and for this one, for this particular part, you need to have three tools. One is you need to have Postman, you need to have JMeter in the middle, and then you need to have LoadRunner. So you need to have all these three tools because there are like few glitches which we have to fix. And yeah, I'm just trying to find other options as well. But for the first part, I'm just trying this option so that if you have any urgency, or if you have any priority to test your Postman scripts in LoadRunner, yes, you can very well do that. And for that, let me have the first step. The first step of it is like I have two requests. One is a get request and one is a post request. So let me go to the get data here. And then if you see on the right side of the Postman, you can see this code window. Let me copy this code snippet, and then let me open the JMeter. Go to the tools, go to import from curl, enter the URL, and when I click on create test plan, this will create a test plan for me. And what I'll do now is, let me close this one, go inside the third group, right click, add a logic controller, which is a transaction controller, and that's going to be a let me just get this out here. Yep. So this is going to be my first request. Let's see, get request. This is going to be your first request. That's a get request. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going back again to the Postman, and let me get the next request, the next post request, and let me copy this code as well. Let me come back to the tools again, import from curl, paste the URL, create test plan, and yes, we have created the second the post request as well. Let me add another transaction controller, and that's going to be 02 post request. And yes, so now we have two requests. One is the get request and the other one is the post request. And let me get this one inside here. And yeah, so now we have got two requests. One is a get request and the other one is a post request. So the thing here is, if you want to check any, or if you want to validate any values, you can very well do that here. And then let me just save this file inside the bin folder. So this is going to be JMeter to LoadRunner, and JMeter, this is going to be Postman to LoadRunner, right? So Postman LoadRunner and Postman LoadRunner.jmx. So this is the file that we're going to run, and let me save this. So now I have created two requests in case, like I told you, in case if you want to validate, if you want to check anything else, you can very well do it here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the controller. So inside the controller, I'm going to click on the plus symbol and I'm going to add the script. Come back to the bottom and let me just search for the script. So Postman, what's the name of it? It's Postman -LR, right? Okay, let me go back here. Go to file, close. Yep. Let me go to file, new, add scripts, go to the JMeter scripts, click on browse, and this one, Postman to LR, Let me get this one. Yeah. Click on add, click OK, and now I've got this script inside the LoadRunner, right? Let's just do a quick test, just for a minute. Apply, OK, and let me start with yeah, with one user. Let's start running and let's see what happens. Click on S. So after a few seconds, the user has started to run, and in next few minutes we will see what happens to the user. Like in case if you find any issues or any errors, we can find it here in the past or failed transactions and in the error section as well. So let's wait for a few more seconds to see how does the hits per second works and how does the transaction response times works and everything. And yep, the test has started and we were able to see the user who is running. So far there are like 29 past transactions, and they are like the get request and the post request, and here you can see the TPS for each of this request, which is like 0.8 transactions per second, which is really good. And then so far we have got 26 transactions that has passed, and then we are about to end the test. We are moving close to the end. Yep, the test is completed, and let me close this window. And here let me go to the results and click on analyze results, and this will take me to the analyzer window, which you all know. And let me expand the screen once this is opened successfully. Okay, it's still loading. I'm sorry, the results are taking a little more time to load. And yep, now it has been loaded successfully. Let me just go back one tab and then yeah, coming back here. So here you can see the minimum response time, the average response time, the maximum response times, the 90th percentile, the pass and the fail. So yeah, we have got 38 pass transactions and we have got 38 for both the transactions each. There are 0 failed transactions, and then here you can see the minimum, average, maximum response times. All we did is, let me just do a quick recap. All we did is we have copied the curl command from this post request. I have actually tried to bring in the curl command using LoadRunner, but I could not do that. But yeah, still I will try to get that in another situation. But for now, this is what I did. So I have copied this command. I did not make any other changes. I just copied this code, paste it here, and I have imported that in the JMeter, and then I have saved it, and then we have this option to run the JMeter script using controller in LoadRunner. Then I have used it successfully and I was able to run the test, and at the end of the test it has went successfully. And then when I found the results, I'm able to see I've got 342 average throughput, I've got total 76 hits, and the average hits per second is like 1.246 and 100% successful ratio. So this is again a very quick and a clean video for you if you're someone who is trying to run your Postman script in LoadRunner. This will definitely help you. And in case if you're looking for other options, or if you have any feedbacks, or if you want any comments, if you have any comments, you can just comment in the comment section. We'll discuss, and then just to let you know, I will again keep on trying to find some solution for this as well. But yeah, for now, I believe I can help you a bit in terms of running your Postman script LoadRunner. So with that, I come to an end of this video, and I believe this video will be very useful to you. So until I meet you in our next video in another interesting topic, it's bye bye from Mr. Chanmugam and your favorite Little Snipe channel. Take care and bye bye.